In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Lite, and let me show you how to reset app preferences. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select additional settings right here, and go to backup and reset, and click on erase all data. And here you will notice erase downloaded apps and your data. So just click to perform this action, confirm it by tapping on erase data, and now just wait a couple of seconds until it's done. And that's it. Now you can set up your device from scratch. So let me just quickly go through the setup process. And that's it. As you can see, now you can smoothly use your device. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.